y'all, today I'm going to show you how to make a no-knead bread. This recipe is great because it's super easy. Basically all we have to do is mix the bread and then put it in the fridge overnight, and then when you wake up in the morning you just have to bake it. It's super easy and this recipe is absolutely delicious as well. In a large bowl, add the warm water and yeast. Leave to hydrate for a few minutes. Add the flour and the salt. Stir with a wooden spoon. Cover and place in the fridge overnight. The next morning, preheat the oven to 475 Fahrenheit. Place a cast iron skillet in the oven to preheat. On a well-floured surface, divide the dough into halves. Place one half back in the fridge. Shape the other half by folding the edges into the center of the dough. Cup your hands around the dough and pull it slightly toward yourself to round it. Place a clean kitchen towel in a medium-sized bowl. Coat with a generous amount of flour. Place the shaped dough in the bowl with the seam side up. Gently press the dough down. Cover with a towel and proof for 45 minutes. Remove the hot cast iron from the oven. Flip the proof dough onto it. Score the dough with a sharp knife. Bake at 475 for 10 minutes and then at 425 for 20 minutes. Shape and proof the second dough while the first is baking. Remove the first loaf from the oven. Preheat the oven to 475 again. Once the second dough has proofed for 45 minutes, place it on the cast iron and score. Bake at 475 for 10 minutes and then at 425 for 20 minutes. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this recipe just as much as I do. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel for weekly videos on how to make bread. As well, you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter as @breadwithbecca. I'll see y'all next week.